There is some people over there. The wind doesn't matter. The wind's blowing the stuffed animals everywhere. The windstorm started at 1930 hours. It's supposed to go all night long. We had a windstorm last night. Started about 2 hours after I posted the Carnival update last night. And it's part of a cold front that's going to knock our temperatures down from the high of the low 90s Fahrenheit that we had this week to highs on Sunday of only in the 50s, with the overnight low temperature being in the 30s. But it's not unusual for Idaho to have a cold weekend in June. I just don't like the wind. It causes my allergies to go crazy. Yes, there's still a